Australian Hindu Association has started a Hindu Legal Helpline in collaboration with Opal Legal. May I now invite Ms. Namrata Singh, Principal at the Opal Legal, to kindly launch our legal helpline and also please say a few words.
Namaste. Distinguished guests and members of the Australian Hindu Association. A distraught wife rings half a dozen lawyers and tells them that she has an argument with her husband. She rang the police, hoping that they would settle their dispute. The police come, arrest her husband, and place him in custody. The court has now refused her bail to her husband, and his next court date is in 2 months' time. She has 2 young children and does not work. An upset husband rings a lawyer and says, "My wife and I are separated, and she has been threatening to leave the country for some time. I just found out that she has left the country with our children." A wife rings a lawyer and says, "I am separated from my husband, and our property was in my husband's name. He had put up the property for sale. I just found out that he has sold the property and gone to Fiji." A small businessman rings a lawyer and says, "I received a paper in the mail about a debt dispute I had with a supplier. I received a few other documents. I did not read them properly as I was busy. I have now received a notice that I will be made bankrupt, and the court date is tomorrow." I have not made up these stories. These are real stories of real people who have approached us in distress. When we asked them why they had not approached us earlier, their answers were along the lines, "I thought I could sort it out myself. I didn't think it was anything serious or urgent. I didn't know which lawyer to approach. I could not afford to pay for legal advice." The legal system is a quagmire and a nightmare. If you can avoid it, don't go near it. But if you have no choice and you are compelled to come into contact with the legal system, it is crucial that you get the earliest and most competent advice that is possible. A legal helpline is long overdue. So, when Opal Legal was approached to be a partner in this worthy cause, we had no hesitation in saying yes. It is an honor and privilege for Opal Legal to be associated with an organization with the vision, passion, and commitment that AHA is. It gives me immense pleasure to formally launch the Hindu Legal Helpline. Persons in need of urgent legal advice can now phone the helpline on its dedicated number, send us a text message, or email us their legal questions. We aim to respond to all requests immediately or within a matter of hours. I urge AHA members and Hindu organizations to widely publicize this worthy initiative. Dhanyavad.